Hey, what's up guys, welcome to a brand new video. Today I'll be showing you how to make a spinning system in Roblox Studio. So we're going to be making all the UI, the spinning for clans, the scripts and everything. So let's get right into it. Before we start everything off, I want to mention that I opened up my own academy and you guys can check the link. It's the first link in the description. I have a full 7-minute video explaining everything. We have been getting crazy results lately, like our student Trill making $2,000 his first month, our student Gimmick hitting 19,000 Robux in 3 days, and Astral retiring his father. We have been getting crazy results. The academy is just basically everything you need to start scripting, developing, and making money in Roblox Studio, getting money through commissions, and learning how to develop and become a front page developer. So if you guys are interested in basically getting all of the things at once, it's going to be the first link in the description. We have over 100 students and I can't wait to see you guys inside. But yeah guys, Academy is the first link in the description, so make sure you guys join that and let's get right into the video. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to go into Starter UI and we're going to make a new screen UI. Now right here we're going to make a frame where we will basically keep all of our stats. So we're going to go and expand this right here and we're going to put it on the right side of the screen right here, and now we can customize basically how the frame looks like. So we can, like, let's put it on a gray color, whatever, let's put dark gray. Let's put some transparency into it like this, and we can put a UI corner so we can basically round this all off pretty good. So we can do 20 right here, and now what we can add is we can add a button which we're gonna put right here, for example, and we're gonna make it text. We're gonna make the text spin. There we go. Once we're done with that, we're gonna put this to text scale so it looks pretty better. We're gonna change the color. We can put the color to, let's say, red or something like this. Then we can change the font to something like this so it looks pretty good. Then we can change the text color to white, and we can do this to 0 so it looks better. We can also copy this and paste it in here so we get so we get that rounding effect right here. And we can do a button for spins, and then we're gonna do another button. So we're gonna clone this, duplicate, we're gonna put it above right here, and we're gonna basically call it purchase spins. So we're gonna be doing purchases too, and we can put this color to, like, let's say like purplish, like this. There we go. And right here we're gonna just basically lay out like the rarities. So what we can do is we can put a new text label. We can put it right here. We can put the transparency to 1. We can put the font to, let's say, something like this, the same thing we did with the other one. We're gonna put the text to white, and then we're gonna just say okay, we can put text scaled, and then we can do, so we can put common right here, and then we can say 50%. Then we can duplicate this, then we can put it down here, and then we can say uncommon for like 30. Let's do like that. We can put it to green, whatever. Then we can do another one, so we can duplicate this. We can do rare, so let's do rare at 10%. There you go, perfect. We can put it to, or actually let's put it blue. There we go. Then we can duplicate this again, put it down here. We can do epic. So let's do epic to 5%. We can put purple, and then we can duplicate this and put legendary, and we can put it to 1%. There we go. We can change the color to yellow, whatever, and let's just use all of these and just remove the text so it looks better. There we go. And that should be pretty much it for the list. Now we can create another frame to basically make this a little bit more smoother. We can do like this. There we go. And we can put the Z index to 0. Then what we can do is we can put the transparency to like 0.4. And then we can make this a little bit more gray. There we go. So it kind of looks a little bit better, more rounded off. There we go. And now we have to script this whole system. So I'm going to show you guys how to basically make it all spin, how to make it all purchase, so we can purchase off spins off the marketplace, and we're going to basically be having everything, right? So to start everything off, we're going to first of all fire off a function from this. So we're going to go right here to this text button. We're going to make a new logo script, And inside of this local script, we're gonna say script.parent.activated connect function. There we go. And we're gonna copy this, put it down here, and we're gonna make a simple debounce so we cannot spam this. So we're gonna do local debounce equals to false. Also, another thing I forgot to mention to do is we have to, let's say, duplicate this right here. We're gonna put it right here, and we're gonna say your current clan is. There we go. And we're gonna put this right here so we can know what our clan is when we do spin. There we go. Let's put it down there, and let's just name the thing. Let me see where it is. So yeah, let's name this clan. There we go. And now what we're gonna do is we're gonna make a simple debounce. We're gonna say local debounce equals to false. Then we're gonna do if debounce equals to true, then return end. And then we're gonna just put a simple 3-second cooldown when we do actually fire this off. So we're gonna say debounce equals to true, wait 3 seconds. We're gonna put task.wait, debounce equals to false. There we go. So now the thing we need to do is we have to make a new script inside of a server script service, and we're gonna make a new remote event right here, and we're gonna say game dot replicated storage dot remote event fire server. And right here, what we're gonna do is we're gonna say game dot replicated storage dot remote event on server event connect function player. And right here is where we're gonna make the spinning system. So I'm gonna write the whole spinning system down, and I'm gonna show you guys how we're gonna do the marketplace where you guys can purchase spins, how you guys can do the spinning system where we're gonna have rarities, how we're gonna make all of this save, and how we're gonna make basically everything. All right, guys. So I wrote down a couple of scripts, and I'm gonna show you what I did. So first of all, another thing we need to do is we need to duplicate this, and we need to show how many spins we currently have. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna say spins, and we're gonna basically go ahead and say current spins. I'm gonna put an X right here, and then we can put it above right here. There we go. So now what I wrote down is I made a whole nother script, and I named it rarity, and I'm going to show you guys what I did right here and how we're going to basically use all of this to get our own spinning system. So game.players.player add a connect function. Basically, whenever another player is added, it's going to make these values. So it's going to make a new data folder with clans and spins, right? And it's going to basically get a random item from here. So what we're going to do is we're going to go right here, and we're going to say common equals to 50. So that's 50%. Uncommon 30. There we go. Equals to 30. Then we're going to do rare equals to 10. Epic equals to 5. And legendary equals to 1. There we go. So that is all set and done for rarities, right? So once we join the game, it's going to give us 5 spins, which is just the starter spinning, and it's going to give us a random value out of these, right? So it's going to pick with the chances. So this is 50%, this is 30, and when we go into the game, right, we press play. In our player folder, it's going to have a data folder, and it's going to say clan and spin. So we have 5 spins, and we have our common clan. There we go. So to show this off, what we're going to do is we're going to go right into the scripts. We're going to go right here. We're going to add a new local script, and we're going to do local rs equals to game get service run service. So every time the run service runs through a heartbeat function, so that is almost every second, we're going to say script.parent.text equals to game.players.local player wait for child data folder. So that's the folder we did in this script right here. So this is the script that we're going to be doing the spins. Right here I made another script called rarity. You guys can pause the video and copy this whole thing completely. And then right here we're going to reference the data folder, and we're going to say, so this is the spins, so we're going to say that spins.value. We're going to copy this, and we're going to basically say right here current spins, so current spins 2 dots, then we're going to do 1 2, we're going to paste this in. There we go. We're going to copy this, and we're going to make another script inside of the clan logo script, and we're going to do this, but instead of this we're going to say clan right here. I think it says clan. There we go, clan. There we go. So we do this on the clan text label and we do this on the spin text label. So when we press play right now, when we get in, yeah, so it says current spins 5 because we have 5 spins. There we go. And current spin uncommon. Actually right here we have to change this to current clan. There we go. So now when we go in, it says current clan common and current spins 5. Now this doesn't work for now, but I'm going to show you how we're going to make this work. So we added a 3-second cooldown right here, which fires off this event. So what we're going to do is we're going to go and copy this right here. There we go. I'm going to paste this in right here. And we're going to basically use player right here. So now we have a random item thing. So we're going to do local data folder equals to player find first child data folder. So we're going to do data folder dot clan dot value equals to we're going to do game, actually we're going to do get random item. There we go. So now it's just going to get a random item out of these and give it to us. So after that, what we have to do is we have to say data folder dot spins dot value equals to data folder dot spins dot value minus 1. There we go. Pretty simple. So another thing we're going to do is we're going to go right here and we're going to basically put the data folder on top right here, and then we're going to say if data folder, we're going to say wait for child right here. So if data folder dot spins dot value is less or equal to 0, then return end. What this will say is basically if we have less than 1 spin or 0 spins, it's going to basically disregard the function. It's not going to fire anything, right? So when we go into the game and test it out right now, what's going to happen is we're going to have 5 spins, current clan uncommon. When we click spin, so we get uncommon again, it wasted a spin. We can spin again, now we got a common, so we got 3 spins. Now we spin again, we got a common again. We spin again, common, and then we got a common, rare. So see, we got a rare right now and we have 0 spins. When we click again, we cannot spin anymore because we have wasted all of our spins, right? So I'm gonna show you guys how to basically customize this so we can get a cooler effect when we're like spinning, so we can have all of those like tied down. But right now we're gonna do the purchasing spins, and we're gonna show you guys how to make it so you can purchase it off of the marketplace. Alright guys, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna go and click this purchase spins right here button, which will be this one, and we're gonna make a new local script right inside of here and gonna paste this code that I wrote down. Now I'm gonna explain what everything is and how everything functions, so we can go ahead and make a purchase handler where we will do all of this processing of the payments. So basically this is referencing the marketplace service and this is referencing the players. This product ID, to make this, you guys will go to your Roblox page and you will go to create and you will make a new dev product, and once you make it, you set the price and basically you will get this ID which you can paste into the script right here. If you guys are having any trouble with like how to create the dev product, or if you're stuck at this point, whatever, make sure you guys join the academy. I'm going to be helping everyone out. Literally, we answer questions 24/7. So basically what you would do is you would put the code right here and then it will prompt a purchase every time we click this button. And we have a new script right here which I made in the server script service, which is called the purchase handler. Now the purchase handler basically gives you 5 spins each time you buy the product. So it references the marketplace service again. Then it does this product function right here, which basically takes this code that we put in right here, and once we're done with that, it searches for our character, searches for the data folder, and adds 5 spins. So you guys can go ahead and pause this video to write down the marketplace script. This is very important. And if you guys again are having any troubles with how to get this ID right here, it is very simple. Just go to create and make a new ID. But if you're having too much trouble, make sure you guys join the academy. I'm going to be helping everyone out there personally. So once you're done with this step right here, that is kind of literally it. Once you set up your own game pass, when we go and press play right here, if we go into purchase spins, it's going to prompt us with a 5+ spins. And this is a test purchase because we are doing it in Studio, so we can click 200 and it's going to give us 10 more spins. There we go. So now every time we press spin, we spin and then we get a random chance to get any of these. So because we have a 50% chance to get a common, it's not that easy to get all of these other ones. But you guys saw the point. When you guys spin again, it's just a random chance to get a clan, whatever. We're getting commons now, too much. That's just a normal thing. We can like go ahead and like what's it called, we can like lower the rates down, so we can put it so these are like on a higher rate. So what we can do is we can basically go right here and we can say uncommon is like 40, and then we can do all the other ones, right? So every time we now press spin, there you go, common, rare, there we go. So yeah, pretty simple stuff. And when we go ahead and purchase spins, there we go, now we have more spins, and someone who is in the game has purchased and gave you 200 Robux, right? So that's pretty simple right there. The only thing left what we have to do is we have to make this like spin. So to do that, it's pretty simple. We're gonna basically add a new debounce right here. We're gonna say local debounce equals to false. If debounce equals to true, then return end. And we're gonna put debounce equals to true right here. Then we're gonna say task.wait 1 second. And we're gonna say debounce equals to false. So once we click the spin button right here, what we're gonna do is, it is right here, I think, not that one, this one. So we're gonna make a for I function, for I equals to 1 to 10, and then we're gonna basically say task.wait 0.1, and then we're gonna do this. So we're gonna say script.parent.clan. So we're referencing this text label right here. We're gonna say, where is it? There we go. Or this one, my bad. Dot text equals to current clan, and then we're gonna just put random names here. So we're gonna put rare. We can put 0.5 right here. So we're gonna copy this. There we go. And we're gonna say common, uncommon, legendary. We're gonna say, we can say rare again. We can say epic, common, whatever. And right now, when we go ahead and press the spin button, it's gonna like start rapidly like changing like which clan it is. So when we press spin, there we go. And it's gonna give us a clan at the end. So it says common, there we go. So we can spin again. There we go, we got a common, we got an uncommon, and purchasing works pretty fine. When we press this, we purchase 5 more spins. We can purchase infinite amount of times. There we go, we got 13. We can purchase again. It does have a cooldown though, so we purchase again. There we go, we got 18. We can purchase again. There we go. So we have 23, and then we can use all of the spins. Each time we use one, it basically spins the whole thing, and we get a random clan. There we go, so we got a common. Let's try and spin for a rare or for like an epic before we end the video off. So we got a common again. Let's try to get uncommon at least, whatever. But you guys can see the whole point, like the whole system works. We have purchasing, we have spinning, we have rarities. You guys can put like how much you want the rarity to be. So let's go with uncommon, there we go. And yeah, that's gonna be basically the whole system. The only thing that we didn't cover is basically each time we join and like rejoin, the spins reset back and the clan resets back, so it doesn't actually save with data stores. But if you guys are interested in that, I'm doing a lot more in-depth stuff in my academy. I'm teaching a lot of people everything there. We have been running for about a month. We got over 100 students already. We got people that are making a crazy amount of money. We got crazy results. We're teaching people how to script, how to animate, how to create VFX. I made a whole separate video. You guys can see it's going to be right up there. It's going to be how I made $100,000 through commissions on Roblox Studio. So it's a pretty big opportunity. I want to invite you guys personally to all grow, to all learn how to script and develop. And yeah, I hope to see you guys in the academy. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.